Hi, this is Jenny with WTI. This is a Waterpik Complete Care 9.0. Have you ever had hard to reach areas around your gums and in between your teeth? This system will take care of that completely. It is a wonderful system that my family uses, and I think your family will enjoy it too. Take a look at this demonstration. This corn has cocoa powder in between it, and this Waterpik is fabulous with getting in between those kernels, thoroughly getting out that cocoa powder very easily. This system has a toothbrush that has beveled bristles to completely clean your teeth, and each tip has a different colored edge, and it also has 3 different modes: clean, whiten, and massage. This system comes with 5 different tips for your Waterpik. I personally like the Ortho-Pik because it helps to get in between the braces, and that is a fabulous tool. The tank itself is easy to fill, and it has a rubber seating in the bottom, so you just push it right down onto the rubber seating and it's ready to use. The plug-in is a standard outlet plug-in, so there's no need for extra room in your outlet. This compact Waterpik Complete Care 9.0 is a great addition for our family, and I hope it is for yours too. And that's my point of view.